Oh, hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. It's evening time now and we came to the terrace and see how beautiful the sky is looking. But I guess it's going to rain. So today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, and I know you guessed it right. It's about the loss of your subscribers count. You know how sad I was? For me, it started from yesterday and I almost had a sleepless night last night. Till now, I have lost at least 50 plus subscribers, but I can do nothing about it because it's not my fault. It's because of some of my valuable subscribers who did not follow some guidelines. So, what are the guidelines? Yes, there are some guidelines. I think very few people know that sub for sub is illegal in YouTube. So some of my subscribers, you came to my channel after you saw me in my channel. Sorry, in your channel. And I think you remember that I never talked about subscriptions. I watch your full video or at least 4 to 5 minutes and then I subscribe and then I comment only about the video. I don't comment about that I subscribe to your channel, you also subscribe back. It's very clearly written in the YouTube policy that sub for sub is illegal, but yes, we all need subscribers. Subscribers are very important. But how do we get subscribers? We have to be very honest in the first place and very clever also. You cannot talk about subscriptions in comments, but you can always give a hint. Another thing you can do for any new visitors in your channel is you can approve their comments. You can find the approve button in your YouTube Studio in desktop version in the comment tab, and once you approve a comment, the commenter gets approved forever in your channel. This benefits both ways. It benefits you also because ultimately you don't end up losing a subscriber. Once you approve that comment, YouTube cannot spam that commenter whatever he or she writes. So you don't lose a subscriber. And one very important thing, commenters, don't put any link in your comments because YouTube will be like, no! So how much that link is, that comment is approved, YouTube is going to spam it. And no links in our channel.
No links in our channel, please.
Now the most important part, how to get back the reduced subscribers from your subscriptions. So the most important thing is YouTube has never deleted the subscribers from your list. YouTube has only removed the spam subscribers from the subscriber count. Right now YouTube has freezed the subscriptions and many new subscribers are coming, but they are not getting added and only more are getting deleted. You can feel my frustration, but nothing can be done. But yes, one thing can be done.
So what we will do? We will delete our account.
No deleting account. So once this algorithm calculation of YouTube settles down, so the thing you can do is unsubscribe the channel, then after some days go back to the same channel, watch a full video and subscribe to the channel and then leave a hint in the comments. I think this is definitely going to work. But don't do too many in a single day because YouTube should not think you are a bot. It applies replies in the comments also. So don't comment in 20 channels in a single hour. So this was all about how to get back your reduced subscriber count. I am also going to try this technique, but not too many because I have already applied this technique.
And plus, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button.
So that whenever we add a new video, you get the notification. And see our dresses. I forgot to tell about it earlier. I am wearing a peach frock with a lace body and a jeans jacket, and Jia is wearing a sleeveless top and her favorite shorts.